In every village, there is a kitchen, a place where firewood burns, where spices tell stories, and every meal is made with love. Welcome to Chef Esty Village Kitchen.
Cooking with passion. Welcome to my village kitchen, bringing flavors from my village to your home. Let's cook together.
Brings back the taste of home. This is more than cooking.
Ne, how far now? How the food?
Chef Esty, this soup dey sweet oh.
Hi guys, I'm Chef Esty. Welcome to my village kitchen, where I'm going to show you how to make local dishes and my village lifestyle. Today's episode, we will be making oha soup. Now follow me to the market. Okada, abeg, take me to Eke market. How much?
Now 200 naira. Enter, here we go.
Village fire, gentle flame.
Now let's go buy oha leaf, cocoyam, and all the olishi.
Morning smoke.
Mama, I want to buy oha leaf, cocoyam, okoloko mangala, palm oil, and ogiri. Okay, my daughter, total na 7,000 naira. Oh yeah, take your money. Chef Esty, thank you. Thank you. These look wonderful.
Hands remember
Oga, abeg, give me 10,000 naira meat.
My better customer, chef.
This one, please.
All right, coming right up.
Thank you. Oh yeah, take your money.
Thank you, Chef Esty. Fine girl.
Chai, Chineke mo, this bag is heavy, oh.
Slow beat, pure tradition. From the land to the flame.
Ne, make I rush go bush, go fetch firewood. All right, my daughter, do and come back, Osiso. Oh, ne, I dey come back now. Because no one may Osiso, I'm hungry. Make I quickly gather firewood because my mother is so hungry.
No imitation. Soft fire in attrition. Welcome home to Village Kitchen. Pepper pounding steady sound. Mortar rhythm round and round. Palm oil shining evening sun. Simple food second to none. No rush life, no hurried play.
My pikin, welcome.
Good things cooked with time and
Oh yeah, make I show you how to make oha soup.
every stir a story told. Village kitchen, heart of gold. Chef Esty Village Kitchen. Slow beat, pure tradition. From the land to the flame. Every taste calls your name. Hey ya hey, food is love. Hey ya hey, from above. Hey ya hey, village fire. Hey ya hey, cook it right. Chef Esty Village Kitchen. Soft beat, pure tradition. Village soul in every portion. Chef Esty Village Kitchen.
Ne, you don't already bathe. This one you change clothes.
Yes, so I want the food to enter my body well.
Ne, how far now? How the food?
Chef Esty, this soup dey sweet oh. My daughter, you sabi cook.
Thank you, Ne.
Abeg, make una subscribe to this channel now. Old woman dey beg una.
Oh yeah, click on that subscription bell and turn on your notification button for more of my local dishes and village lifestyle. I love you so much. See you in my next video.
Oh yeah, now bye bye. No make I chop my food.